Here's the new 2023 X-Pro 125 X9. It's my first ever dirt bike. I've rode four-wheelers all my life. Had maybe 3 minutes of seat time on a bike up until I got this. I got it 2 days ago, put it together. It's my third day riding it. Do a little review on it. If my cameraman would hold the camera. The cameraman is coming. I put a Nivy carb on it. That's the first mod I did. Probably need to angle that filter down. But it's a 22mm carb. And I got some new handlebars coming. I'm just going to show y'all a little bit about the bike. I had to start it in neutral. I'm 5'6", I weigh about 170 pounds, and it hauls me around. Now, if I can get started. Need to readjust the shock. Let me see what it does. Pretty responsive now. It's got that hard. Little bike. If y'all want to see some more videos on the X-Pro, just like and subscribe. If got any comments, if I can help you with anything, I'll be more than happy to help you.